What is that?
A diesel fish.
Hi Fibs, good morning, good morning, good morning, good afternoon, and good night. Yes, Starla? What?
Big truck.
Big truck. Say good morning, Fib. You're driving a truck. Stay out of the kitchen, okay? Mama is cooking. You guys, good morning. Yes, Stella, that way. Good boy. Go on. I don't have work today, so I'm taking things really slow today. I'm taking things really slow. I'm taking down the tempo a notch. I don't have to hurry to cook and to make breakfast and to work out and to get everything done like I would normally do on a typical work day. So I'm enjoying taking things slow today. I'm just staying in my robe all day, and I'm going to edit some videos and play with Tyler. And it's raining outside, so this mama ain't going outside today, and it's cold. Let me show you how ugly outside is. That's outside. It is raining as we speak, and it is super cold today. As I told you guys yesterday, that it is said that this week is going to be the coldest week. Making breakfast, and I'm making some green press plantain, which they're on their first fry right now. I'm going to take them out and press them and put them back in, and then I'm going to make some eggs. So yeah, that's what's going on right now. Baby is off to work. Sometimes it's okay to take things slow. Sometimes it's good to do nothing. And I think today is going to be one of those days where I'm going to be a snail. I'm going to be sluggish. I'm going to be slow and just watch the time goes by while I still get a few things done, because I just can't sit around like that anyway. I'm working, but I'm just not doing it at a fast pace. Let's just put it that way. Make sure you guys get your workout in. Make sure you guys have a good day today. And make sure you guys give the video a thumbs up and comment down below, and subscribe if it's the first time watching, and enjoy your day. I am making plantains and eggs for breakfast. Tell me what you are making for breakfast. Breakfast is ready. Scrub time. I already started eating. Couldn't wait. Yeah. You guys, if I follow this kid, you stay there and count all day, all morning. He loves counting. You guys should know by now. This guy, he loves his numbers, and he'll just count all day. When we're on the street and he sees any number, any bus passes, he's gonna tell you what number it is, and he's gonna shout it on the rooftop, and he's gonna tell it in English, and he's gonna tell it to you in French. He's hilarious. And now he's at a point where he speaks French so good and he speaks English so good in terms of when he's on the street. Like yesterday, for example, we were at the bus stop and this lady was at the bus stop sitting beside him, and he went beside the lady and he was telling the lady in French that this is my mom and she's wearing a brown bag and she's going to work and she's taking me to school, and you have a pink bag. He was telling the lady that she have a pink bag, and he was telling the lady that there's a tree across the street, and he was just talking, and the lady was there. She was just amazed by Tyler's conversation with her. I'm like, oh my god, he never stops. And when he went into the bus and the person was sitting beside us and he keeps talking to the person, and I'm like, oh Lord, Tyler, shh. He talks a lot these days, but I love it.
Mama,
Yeah.
look at the one.
Yes, this one.
Look at the one.
Oh, finish.
Finish.
Now let's brush teeth and then take a bath.
Get the get the mouth.
And then you're gonna nap.
Then get the nap.
Yeah. Let's brush teeth. Go. Let Mama kiss it. Mwah. Teeth. Teeth.
Mama,
Yes, pumpkin.
we're going to bath.
Yes, we're going to bath. I love you, silly.
With the water,
No water. Go to nap.
go to mop.
Yes, without water. Nap. I love you.
I will.
Bye.
Bye.
Enjoy your nap.
Okay,
Bye, silly. You're so funny. Alright, I'm gone now. You're so funny. Since Tyler and I are staying home today, we have to do indoor activities. Sit here. We're gonna cut them on here, okay? Which one you want? This one?
Pink.
It's not pink in it though, it's just one color because Mama mixed all of them. You wanna roll it out? Okay, roll it. Yeah. Bravo.
Fire.
What you gonna make?
To make it a car.
Okay, so make it a car. Press hard. Press, power. Okay, take it up now. Wow. What is that? Car. Okay, so the ones that you make, you can put them up here. Put it here. Car, bravo.
Mama.
Okay, what you gonna make next? What is that?
This is leaf.
Yeah. Good job, baby. Good job.
Look, with the deer.
Leaf is right there. Okay, tell me all of them. What is this?
Car.
Mm-hmm.
Horse.
Uh-huh.
Elephant.
Uh-huh.
Shell.
Uh-huh.
Tree.
Uh-huh.
Butterfly.
Uh-huh.
Cat.
Uh-huh.
The beer.
Uh-huh.
Beef.
Uh-huh.
Fish.
Bravo! Sweet boy. What is that?
Moose.
Yeah!
Look at them.
Okay, that's the last one. Good job. You did well. Very proud of you. Good job. Guys, I am in my favorite place, of course, and I'm making din din for the fam bam. And can you guys guess what I am making for dinner before I tell you what I'm making? Guess. Take a guess. Take a guess. Take a guess. Can you guess? If you guess ackee and saltfish, you are right. You guys, I'm making ackee and saltfish. I feel for it today, and I have ackee. So I am making the best thing on earth. Okay, ackee and saltfish is on the menu, and I am having that. I feel for boiled dumpling, which I haven't eaten in over 2 years, and I just dropped some sweet potato in there for babe, and I made some pasta for Tyler. So Tyler loves ackee, so I'm sure he's gonna have ackee. So then I'm going to have the ackee and saltfish with boiled dumplings. Baby's not a big fan of dumpling. He probably have one, just a small one, or maybe he doesn't have any at all. But this is the king right here. This is boss, okay? So if you're a Jamaican, then you know what's about to go down. But if you're not a Jamaican, then look and learn and enjoy. With dinner ready. Ackee and saltfish, funny, boiled dumpling and sweet potato, and a little pasta for time. Good to go. What are you saying? Ackee boo. You love ackee? You love ackee? Ackee boo. Ackee boo. You want hug?
Okay.
That's why you ask a random hug.
Mama.
Yes, you want to see the ackee. That's the ackee you want to see, don't you? You want to see the ackee.
Mama, you're a big cat.
Mama, what? Let me show you the ackee.
Look.
What is that?
I get some fish.
Oh, yes! How do you know?
Look. It's some fish.
Yeah, it's ackee and saltfish. Real Jamaican boy know his dish. You know your thing, don't you? Alright, go out the kitchen. Mama finishing up cooking, okay?
Mama, the finish up cooking.
Mama is finished up cooking.
Look. Look.
Can you say night night, Faves?
Net fish.
Why are you sad?
Look. Look. Look.
When your kid love book, don't be mad about it. Don't be mad about it, okay? Just let him love the book. You guys, is what you're smelling about. You guys are coming on to end the vlog because I need to jump in bed.
My face look more tired than yours.
Really?
Mm-hmm.
I'm tired. The Jamaican expression for today is bill back. For example, if babe call me on the phone and say, babe, what are you doing? So me they are bill back, you know. Simple mean I'm just here relaxing and chilling. Doing nothing. Okay?
Tourner les pouces.
Yes. So it's the one you give last night. Bill back mean you're relaxing and chilling. Yes.
Okay.
What's the French expression for tonight?
The French expression is faire la tête.
To make the head?
Yes. Faire, to make, to do. La tête is the head. It's like to do the head. What can it mean?
I don't know.
To do the head simply mean to be mad or to be, yeah, for example, she told, I'm mad at her, I say, okay, je lui fais la tête. Je fais la tête.
You're lucky.
I'm mad at somebody or mad at everybody or faire la tête is to be
Okay.
mad.
Okay, cool.
Say it.
Faire la tête.
Nice.
My R is coming on. You heard that just now?
Yeah, but I
You
don't.
heard it? You heard it? You heard it?
Talented you?
It's getting better. Haha. There you have the Jamaican and the French expression of today. You get it?
Make sure you get it.
There we go.
If you liked the vlog, just give a thumbs up.
Comment down below.
Comment down below.
I just said that.
Subscribe if you are new. Turn on the notification bell. Catch up and keep up.
Yeah.
Catch up and keep up.
Catch up and keep up, and we'll see you guys
Tomorrow.